Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you again a new project which is called Xauras. This is the third Liquidity protocol, so you will see how to make a profit with this platform and all the benefits. So that's why don't miss this chance and watch video till the end. Let's get started. So we are starting with a PDF. This is Xauras third generation liquidity protocol. What is all about? It's a decentralized autonomous organization DAO built on blockchain technology, so they operate without a central authority, enabling a truly democratic and transparent governance model. Their organization is self-governing with decision-making power distributed among their members, so you can check it all the info by yourself. I will show you all the main parts. For example, what is DAO? This is the explanation there. Key characteristics of DAO. Xauras decentralized, operates on a blockchain technology, ensuring transparency, security, and immutability of data and governance processes. So autonomous is governed by smart contracts that automatically execute rules and decisions without centralized control, and their member driven is every decision is made by the community. Members propose and vote on initiatives that shape the future of the organization. So how Exorus works, there is a community-based voting that members hold governance tokens that grant them the right to vote on key decisions, and proposal submissions that any member can submit a proposal ranging from funding requests to protocol upgrades for community review and voting. So, and the benefits of DAO Exorus is that transparency, every transaction and decision is publicly recorded on the blockchain, offering full visibility and accountability, and security built on a tamper-resistant, decentralized infrastructure, making it resilient to censorship and authorized changes. So Exorus is use case of DAO Exorus. There you can see that DeFi manage and govern DeFi applications such as lending protocols, stable coins, decentralized exchanges, and yield strategies. So all the main links of this platform are at the description below, so you can check it right now and follow by your own. So community governance enable decentralized decision making for online communities, including content moderation, treasury allocation, and policy development. So challenges in the DAO Xauras implementation is that regulatory uncertainty, that DAOs operate in legal gray areas across many jurisdictions, facing evolving regulations that may affect their legitimacy and compliance. So what is liquidity protocol? There again is explanation. Depositing assets, users deposit cryptocurrencies in the Xauras liquidity pools. These assets are made available for borrowing, and depositors earn interest that accrues over time. So borrowing funds is users can borrow from the liquidity pool by providing crypto collateral, and the loan amount is determined by a collateralization ratio to ensure safety. So interest rates and collateralization liquidation, that borrowers must maintain collateral above a minimum threshold, and if the value falls below this threshold, the system may automatically liquidate part of the collateral to prevent default. So this was all the info and explanation what is all about. So key features of Exorus: that decentralized and permissionless, open to all. Anyone with a crypto wallet can interact with the protocol. No banks, no intermediaries. So variable and stable interest rates. Variable rates is that adjust automatically based on market conditions. Stable rates is offer predictable costs for long-term borrowing strategies. So governance by the communities, that holders of Xauras governance tokens can propose and vote on case decisions such as protocol upgrades, asset onboarding, and risk parameters. So the last one is that security and risk management is this platform is designed with multiple layers of protection, over collateralization to reduce loan risk, automated liquidation mechanisms, and smart contract audits and community-led bug bounty programs. So benefits of using this platform, first of all, is passive income for lenders. Second one is access to credit without banks. For example, first one is that earn interest by supplying assets to liquid pool, generate yield without actively trading. So access to credit without banks that obtain loans instantly using crypto as collateral, no credit checks or centralized approval required. And also decentralized and transparent. Every action on Xauras is recorded on chain and viewable by the public, by people, ensuring trust and openness. So their risk of using Xauras is that if collateral value drops below a threshold, position may be liquidated, leading to potential losses for borrowers. Smart contract vulnerabilities is that despite audits, bugs or exploits in smart contracts can pose a security risk and lead to loss of funds. So conclusion that DAO Xauras more than a protocol, it's a movement toward decentralized governance, financial inclusion, and collective innovation. While it presents unique challenges, its potential to reshape how communities organize, govern, and build wealth is enormous. So through thoughtful design, active participation, and continuous improvements, Exorus aim to lead the future of decentralized autonomous organization. So their products are their depositing assets, borrowing, governance, collateralization, interest rates, and staking also. So Xauras layer first blockchain launching in 2026, so it's quite new, and you will see the launch in 2026. And their presence, there you can see the countries and the media press release. They are the media, the countries where they present, and that's it for PDF. They have like a Telegram website, and all the main links are at the description below. Just check it right now. And for today, that's all. Thanks for watching me till the end, and see you at the next videos. Bye, my dear friends.